Stop. Repeat after me. Today, we will practice English when you feel sick. Listen and repeat. I feel sick. I feel sick. My head hurts. My head hurts. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. I feel weak. I feel weak. I stay in bed. I stay in bed. I drink water. The water is cold. I make a cup of tea. The tea is hot. I eat some soup. The soup is warm. I lie down again. I close my eyes. I sleep. I sleep. In the afternoon, I wake up. I feel a little better. I drink water. I rest. Health is important. Rest is important. Mini review. Let's say it together. I feel sick. I drink water. I make tea. I eat soup. I feel better. Great job. Practice this every day. Take care of your health. See you in the next video.